Body Dysmorphic Disorder. Introduction. You may avoid social situations if you have BDD. Select true or false. Correct. You may avoid social situations if you have BDD. You may feel like you need to stay in your home. Concern about a perceived flaw can control your activities. This can lead to absences from work or school. BDD may run in families. Select true or false. Correct. Does BDD usually get better without treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. BDD usually doesn't get better on its own and may get worse over time without treatment. Cognitive behavioral therapy can help you choose one of the following options. 1. Focus on your feelings, thoughts, moods, and behaviors. 2. Use the knowledge you gain in therapy to stop your mind from going down a path of negative thinking. 3. See yourself more positively and accept your differences. 4. All of the above. Correct. Cognitive behavioral therapy can help you overcome BDD. Writing in a journal can help you express your pain, anger, fear, or other emotions. Select true or false. Correct. Joining a support group and practicing meditation can also help you achieve your BDD treatment goals. Thank you for using Explain.